unbelievable creatures found living inside volcanoes. Sharks and rays. A team of scientists went on an expedition to visit one of the most Southwest Pacific active underwater volcanoes. The water around the volcano is too hot and acidic for human divers, so instead, they left their cameras hanging out inside the volcano. About an hour later, they found something unexpected: a variety of hammerhead sharks, silky sharks, and a six-gill stingray. The environment around the volcano is too detrimental for the sharks to survive. Scientists believe that the sharks must have mutated and adapted to the harsh surrounding. During the expedition, they also spotted a species of shark called sleeper shark 12 miles from the volcano. Alaskan fur seals. Fur seals have been under the endangered category for quite some time, but, after managing to survive on the Bogoslav Island, their numbers are growing. The island forms the tip of an active undersea volcano that spews mud, steam and sulfurous gases. The surface is covered with huge rocks that exploded when the Bogoslav Island erupted in 2016. The place seems inhospitable, but the northern fur seals prefer to live here and grow their population. Researchers believe that the reasons the fur seals live there is probably because of the food available, such as plenty of squids and northern smooth tongue. On this volcanic island, scientists estimate that there were 36,000 pups on the island in 2019 compared to 28,000 in 2015. Giant woolly rat. A group of biologists and local trackers discovered a new species while filming a documentary in Papua New Guinea. They were studying the rainforest around the extinct volcano named Mount Pasavi. The locals would not visit the volcano as it is far too steep, but a few days into their trek, the team found a lost world of rainforest and a new species, the giant rat. Giant woolly rat measures 32 inches from nose to tail and weighed almost 3.5 pounds. One of the biggest rats in the world has a silvery gray woolly fur coat and survives by eating leaves and roots. Along with rats, they also found 60 species of frogs, 1 species of gecko, 3 species of fish, and at least 20 new species of insects and spiders. Fanged fish. When a group of researchers were investigating a whirlpool off the coast of Sydney, they discovered tiny critters living in undersea volcanoes. The creatures looked like blackfish with translucent fangs and were doing well in warm acidic waters near underwater volcanoes. The fish has been identified as snaggletooth dragonfish, which are not usually found in the area. They are deep-sea fish and rarely seen by humans, but here they were, and along with them, some other interesting fishes were found too. Most of them were larval versions of fish and lobsters farmed commercially in Australia. When they were swept out to sea, farmers thought they were lost forever but are found living around the volcano. Pollock worm. 3,900 feet down on the seafloor, scientists spotted a strange glowing creature known as a pollock worm. The creature is a ferocious predator spotted near the deep-sea regions near the Carnatic Ridge and has a translucent glow with a rainbow-colored sheen. Pollock worms, along with stalked barnacles and giant mussels, are located in an area where undersea volcanoes release hot water and gases. One of the diverse species is the tube worm, also known as the Pompeii worm, which lives in hydrothermal vents deep on the ocean floor. The temperature in that area can go over 140 degrees Fahrenheit. 150 submarine volcanoes were found too near the area where the worms live. Loihi shrimp. At an active underwater volcano, a group of scientists found several shrimp, crabs, and barnacles. The water around is harsh with a lot of chemicals that are toxic for marine life, but somehow life is thriving there. The hydrothermal vents from the volcano coat the rocks with a food source for nearby creatures. Loihi shrimps have special pruning claws that help them to harvest food from the volcanic environment. This made the scientists determine if there is a direct connection between the growing volcanic activity and the increased underwater